Hello everyone, I'm here with episode 2 of how to solve a Rubik's Cube for beginners. Before we get started, if you forget something from step 1, please go and check out episode 1. Let's start with episode 2. For now, we need to complete the white side. For this, we need the corner pieces that include white. Rotate the Rubik's Cube so that the white side is facing down, as you can see. The first step is to find a corner piece with white on the top layer. Here is an example in my hand. You can see the corner piece. So, what should we do with this? Let's find out. We need to put the corner piece between the centers that match the colors of the corner piece. Rotate the upper layer to position it correctly. Now we need to place the corner piece in its position on the white side. For that, I will introduce one algorithm to you, as you can see on the screen. We should repeat this algorithm until our corner piece is fixed in place, as you can see. It only took one time this time. Let's fix the others. Now we need to apply our algorithm. As you can see, this time it don't fix with just one repetition. Repeat the algorithm again and again and again and again, and it's fixed. Okay, now we don't have any corner pieces in the top layer. To solve this, we will find a corner piece in the bottom layer. Perform our algorithm one time and it will come up. Then, as before, we will solve it. Now, as you can see, we have complete our right side. Let's do another example. In this situation, we have two corner pieces facing down, but don't make a mistake, they are not in the right place. As you can see, the colors of the corner pieces are different from the centers. For that, act like before. Perform the algorithm one time, then position it between the two correct centers and do the algorithm until it's fixed. That's it. as you can see, we have a complete our right side. And lastly, I hope you all enjoy and learn something. Practice and watch the video again. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next episode.